For ages had ISO determined how fast our shutter speed will be, mostly in times when we shot on film, but now we got our freedom and we don't need to care anymore. Hello, my name is Martin and welcome to my channel. In the beginning of March we surpassed milestone of 1000 subscribers on this channel. Thank you very much. It brings me great joy to share my passion with you guys, and I hope over time I did and I will continue improving. If you like this kind of content, you can support me greatly just by subscribing or interacting with my videos. As well, you can find me on Instagram. So, what I meant by my relation towards ISO. Even though I said ISO doesn't matter, it actually is very important. Very important in supporting what is the most important for me, shutter speed. It all depends on your shooting style, your subject and what kind of photography you are practicing. In my case, to put it simple, I shoot street photography. Even though I'm trying for my pictures to be as aesthetic as possible, the most important to me is the moment. And the moment equals sufficient shutter speed to capture it. If you do studio photography and you have power over the environment and your subject, then you don't need to, let's say, suffer little grain in your photographs, because you set up everything how you need it. On the other hand, street is unpredictable. You don't know who is out there, what's going to happen, or how is weather going to be. You know only one thing: it will happen fast. And that's my mantra. Because you are responsible to see these things out there, connections between them. Then you raise your camera, take photo, and because it was overcast day or evening, your shutter is so low that even though you have this perfect clean picture without grain, your subject is colorful smudge in your passing through or whatever. So you didn't capture anything. So my advice is to don't be scared of ISO and see for yourself, test it. How far can your camera go? How far you can push it without being completely disgusting? Then set it up in your camera on manual shutter speed between 300 to 500 of a second and auto ISO until personal maximum if you can do that. For me it's around 3600. Remember, this way of shooting is for times when there is not enough sun or artificial light. And what about grain in your photos? In a Lightroom it's called noise reduction and it's doing great job. You raise it to your convenience and stop taking photographs of a ghost or even worse. You will finally go out at times you didn't before because it was dark and not really nice for you. Experiment for yourself and share what you think about my way in comments down below. That's it for today. Thank you very much. Like, comment and subscribe. Thank you very much one more time for 1000 subscribers and have a nice day.